How to turn off Instagram calls. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Instagram, then click on your chats at the top right. Click on the chat whose call you want to turn off, then click on their name at the top. After you click on their name at the top, you will find mute option beside search. Click on mute. Simply turn on mute calls and you won't get their calls. If this is not the solution you want, what you can do is simply go back, click on your profile located at bottom right corner of your screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screens. It will lead you to settings. In settings, what you can do is go to notifications and then go to calls. After you click on calls, simply make sure it's turned off. If it's turned off, people won't be able to call you, or simply your notifications won't pop up. If this is not the solution you want, what you can do is open settings, scroll down to apps and notification and click on apps and notifications. Then click on Instagram. After you click on Instagram, go to permissions. Click on permissions and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on microphone and then click on don't allow. Go back from microphone and you will find camera option. Click on it and then click on don't allow. It won't give access to your microphone and camera, and simply Instagram calls won't be visible. And this is how to turn off Instagram calls. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.